Today, I, Crystal Matherin, will be discussing Christopher Newport Hall located in Newport News, Virginia. This exquisite building is located on the campus of Christopher Newport University. From first glance, there's already a lot to see. This building has drawn a lot of different architectural styles that came to be throughout history. Starting from the top, we can see a dome. This dome is very similar to what was created by the Romans. They, by use of concrete, were able to masterfully create a dome, which in essence is a round arch rotated 360 degrees. What is different here is that instead of leaving the oculus open, they built another dome atop of it. Windows surround it as a means to allow light in. One thing to take notice is that regardless of the fact that there is a mixture of styles, it cannot be overshadowed by the symmetry that is in the building. Literally, you could draw an imaginary line down vertically and you would have two perfect halves. Even with the mix of iconic and Doric styles, cornice, raking cornice, and pendants. What I want to focus on next are the columns, specifically the capitals on top of the columns. If you will notice, in the forefront, they are Corinthian in style. They are decorative and ornate in nature. Just as the gold leaf details seen on the Polycletus the Younger capitals, the embellishment on the capitals here are not random. They're sort of stacked, if you will, and they have an organization to it. Christopher Newport Hall also has the mixture of columns and capitals as seen on the Colosseum from the early empire. The Colosseum had columns wrapped around it with different capitals, the Doric, Iconic, and Corinthian type, all on different levels. As you can see on the side of the building, there are Doric-style capitals on top of these columns. What you should also notice is that the columns are not freestanding, but are adhered to the building. They also surround the building not just on the front, but on the side and the back as well. This is very reminiscent of the Maçonnerie in Nimes, France. Lastly, I want to focus on the base of the freestanding columns. The columns do not rest on top of the staircase like we're used to seeing. Think of the Temple of Fortunus. They have their own platform, so to speak, and they are incorporated within the staircase. What I mean by that is that they don't rest on top of the stairs, nor can they be found at the bottom thereof. They're within the workings of the staircase, if you will. Unfortunately, our time is up. We cannot focus on all the elements that are so richly displayed on this building, bringing to life just about all of the architectural features that we've learned this past semester. Thank you for your attention.